Hello all. Welcome to another session in this course. As part of this session, I'm going to cover the next topic, that is prerequisites that are required for learning Playwright test automation tool. So what are the different prerequisites? What are the different prerequisites that are required for learning Playwright test automation tool? The answer is there are four prerequisites that we have to first learn before you start learning this Playwright test automation tool as part of this course. Okay. When you are learning Playwright with TypeScript, what are the four different prerequisites, or what are that four prerequisites that we have to learn first before we start learning the Playwright automation tool? First one is HTML basics. Basic knowledge of HTML is enough, guys. You don't have to dig deep into the HTML. Just basic knowledge of HTML will be one of the prerequisites that is required to learn before you start learning Playwright automation tool. Followed by the next prerequisite that we have to learn before we start learning Playwright is locators. After this HTML basics and locators, we have to learn JavaScript and then TypeScript. Okay, these are the four prerequisites that we have to learn before we start learning the Playwright test automation tool as part of this course, because here the course is all about Playwright with TypeScript. So for Playwright with TypeScript course, these are the four prerequisites we have to learn before we start learning the Playwright automation tool. That is HTML basics, locators, JavaScript, and TypeScript. As part of the locators, the important topics will be XPath expressions and CS selectors. We have to learn in depth. Okay. So these are the subtopics anyhow. The main level topics are HTML basics, locators, JavaScript, and TypeScript are the four important prerequisites that need to be learned before we start learning TypeScript. That is Playwright with TypeScript. And as part of the locators, as subtopics, we have to learn XPath expressions and CS selectors also. So hope guys you got an idea what are the different prerequisites that we have to learn before we start learning Playwright automation tool. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.